दोस्तों, वेलकम टू यूट्यूब चैनल एग्रीकल्चर जीके। आज मैं आप लोगों से फूड कॉर्पोरेशन ऑफ इंडिया का प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन पेपर डिस्कस करने वाली हूँ। वीडियो को शुरू करने से पहले एक रिक्वेस्ट है, अगर आप इस चैनल पर नए हो तो प्लीज डू सब्सक्राइब दिस चैनल एंड इस वीडियो को लाइक और शेयर भी कर दीजिए। इस एग्जाम 3 आवर का एग्जाम है और इट विल बी हैविंग 250 क्वेश्चंस होते हैं। इसमें सारा का सारा लाइक एप्टीट्यूड होते हैं, एग्रीकल्चर पार्ट होते हैं एंड लॉजिकल रीजनिंग होते हैं एंड केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स, ऑल दिस पोर्शंस विल बी देयर। हमारा सर आपको पूरा का पूरा सिलेबस को एक्सप्लेन कर दिया होगा, शायद प्रीवियस वीडियो में आप चेक कर दीजिए। इसके साथ आपको हमारा व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप भी है, इसमें सारा का सारा दैट इज एफसीआई का मटेरियल जो भी जिन्होंने भी ये एग्जाम को अप्लाई किया है उसका कंप्लीट नोट्स, सिलेबस, ई बुक सब कुछ आपको मिल जाएगा सिर्फ 999 पे। सो प्लीज ट्राई टू टेक दिस नोट सो दैट इट विल बी वेरी हेल्पफुल। आपको जो भी आप टारगेट किया है एफसीआई को, आप अच्छी तरह से आपको अचीव कर सकते हैं। इस वीडियो लेक्चर्स होते हैं, मटेरियल्स होते हैं, प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन पेपर्स होते हैं, सारा का सारा आपको मिल जाएगा। सो ट्राई टू मेक अ बेटर यूज ऑफ दिस अपॉर्चुनिटी सो दैट आपको एफसीए आराम से हो जाए। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं आज का पहला क्वेश्चन। Major portion of these islands belong to them as a part of historical events and area defined by 9 dash line. Which country claims this? It is China. 9 dash line ये तो होते हैं अनडिफाइंड एंड वेगली लोकेटेड डिमार्केशन लाइन। ये हमेशा चाइना और ताइवान के बीच में ये सब कुछ ये हो ही जाते हैं। Recently, Vidya Devi Bhandari name was in news. Who is she? She is the first female president of Nepal. E-Sahyog is a pilot project recently launched by Income Tax Department. Income Tax Department तो ऑनलाइन मैकेनिज्म के लिए दैट इज जो भी टैक्स पेयर है उसको हर वक्त दैट इज इनकम टैक्स डिपार्टमेंट को आना नहीं पड़ेगा। जस्ट ऑनलाइन ट्रांजैक्शंस जो भी मिक्सिंग होते हैं ये सब कुछ अवॉइड करने के लिए उन्होंने ई-सहयोग को लॉन्च किया है। Recently, the Government of India has constituted a committee under the chairmanship of Justice R.V. Ishwar to look into the simplification of the provision of the Income Tax Act. SLI-NEX 15 is a bilateral naval exercise between India and Sri Lanka. It's a series of naval exercises. It has started in 2005. Right now, this 15 it is a majorly between Sri Lanka and the India. South Korea's Cheo Museum recently defeated one of the India's top player in the World Cup final recently. So identify the referred sport. It is archery. It is the bow and arrow thing. One of the following is not the winner of Confucius Peace Prize of China. ये तो नोबेल प्राइज के हिसाब से दैट इज इक्वल टू द नोबेल प्राइज इन चाइना, इट इज रिप्लेसमेंट ऑफ दैट। किसने विन हुआ? ही इज नॉट अ विनर एक्चुअली, दे आर आस्किंग। इट इज टोनी अबॉट। वर्ल्ड फूड डे 2015 ऑब्जर्व ऑन 16 नवंबर। हर ईयर में फूड डे कब आते हैं? तो 16 नवंबर में आते हैं। इस ईयर का दैट इज 2020 का वर्ल्ड फूड डे का थीम क्या है? ग्रो, नरिश एंड सस्टेन। Indradhanush mission has been launched recently in the August 2015 by the Union government to revamp functioning of public sector bank. Majorly Indradhanush mission तो health mission है, ये majorly गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया ने लॉन्च किया है, बट इट इज इन 2050। यू हैव टू नोटिस दैट। अगर आपको 2020 में पूछा तो ये तो इम्यूनाइजेशन के लिए मेजरली बना है इंद्रधनुष मिशन को। Which film has been selected as India's official entry to the Best Foreign Language category of the 88th Academy Awards 2016 Oscars? It is a court movie. Who was recently sworn in the Australia's new Prime Minister? It is Malcolm Turnbull. Gandhi Peace Prize 2014 conferred on ISRO. Indian Space Research Organization को ये मिला है 2014 में। This Gandhi Prize majorly after the recognition of महात्मा गांधी जी का जो भी कैरेक्टर है उसके बाद में 1995 ये तो स्टार्ट हुआ है। 2022 Commonwealth Games will be hosted by Durban in Australia. Identify the odd one out. refer to the National Sports Award. Except Sandeep Kumar, all of the other players like Harbans Singh, Anup Singh, Naval Singh got the Lifetime Achievement Award in the sports category. Who has been recently appointed as a new Goodwill Ambassador of the United Nations Children for UNICEF? It is Novak Djokovic. Chengali Kodin is an Indian variety of banana, which has become the first airport of the world to fully operate on solar power. ये तो कोची एयरपोर्ट है. Which is the first country in the world to receive funds from United Nations for its fast growing solar home system? ये तो बांग्लादेश है. Smart Vault, first of its kind fully automated digital locker facility has been recently launched by, ये तो ICICI बैंक के हिसाब से लॉन्च हुआ है. ये मेजरली स्मार्ट वॉल्ट क्या होते हैं, ये तो बहुत ही अच्छी तरह से डॉक्यूमेंट करने के लिए, लाइक सिक्योरिटी पर्पस के लिए ये लॉन्च किया गया है. Asia's biggest telescope must inaugurated recently in उदयपुर राजस्थान में हुआ है. द वर्ल्ड्स फर्स्ट डायमंड एक्सचेंज कहा है, इट वॉज सेटअप इन द सिंगापुर. फर्स्ट कंट्री टू साइन द मेमोरेंडम ऑफ अंडरस्टैंडिंग विद द सर्च इंजन गूगल टू लॉन्च द गूगल लून प्रोजेक्ट. इट इज फ्रॉम द श्रीलंका. मेजरली ये तो अनडिजर्व्ड एंड अनसर्व्ड कम्युनिटी को हेल्प करने के लिए इसको लॉन्च किया गया है. Which state has become the first state of India to install a system to detect earthquakes and disseminate warning? ये तो उत्तराखंड में है. Golden Ball Award in FIFA Women's World Cup recently concluded by, it is Aya Miyama, and in 2020 it is by Megan Rapinoe. Silk Road 2015 is a joint military training exercise between China and Sri Lanka. Who is associated with the project Nilgiri? It is Railtel and Google. Railtel तो हर, that is always in the railway station there will be free availability of the Wi-Fi. One of the following player is not in the list of Arjun Awards 2015. Arjun Awards तो it will be given for the sports and games. The name which is not there in 2015 is Sushil Kumar. आपका स्पोर्ट्स सेक्टर सारा का सारा जनरल नॉलेज करेंट अफेयर्स को आप ध्यान में रखना पड़ेगा ताकि आपका बहुत ही सारा क्वेश्चंस इसमें आ सकते हैं. Who was recently elected as Prime Minister of Canada? It is Justin Trudeau. Which is the capital of Canada? It is Ottawa. United Nations General Assembly on 15th October 2015 elected some countries to serve as a non-permanent members of United Nations Security Council for 2-year terms beginning from 1st January of 2016 until the 31st December of 2017. So which country replaced Jordan to represent Asia Pacific Group? ये तो जापान है. ब्रिक्स बैंक कहाँ है, उसका हेडक्वार्टर्स ये तो चाइना में है, शंघाई में है. Mitra Shakti 2015, a joint military exercise at Oud Military Camp Pune. Recently it is between India and Sri Lanka. The recommendation of setting up of National Environment Management Authority and State Environment Management Authority has been proposed by Subramania panel ने उसको recommend किया है. RTGS in the banking sector stands for Real Term Gross Settlement. It is Real Time Gross Settlement. The name of India Research Station at the North Pole ये तो हिमाद्री है. 2015 Ramanujan Prize was won by Amlendo Krishna. Who won the 2015 Nobel Prize in Economics? It is Angus Deaton. 2020 में कौन कौन सा साइंटिस्ट इकोनॉमिस्ट इसको विन किया है कि रॉबर्ट विल्सन एंड पॉल मिलग्रॉन को ये मिला है नोबेल प्राइज इन इकोनॉमिक्स. न्यू हॉरिजन्स बिकम द फर्स्ट space probe to reach the closest to the Pluto recently. This is a mission by NASA. Take the incorrect statement with reference to the current affairs. Chennai Super Kings defeated Mumbai Indians in the final, winning Indian Premier League title recently in Kolkata. ये तो wrong है. Hriday scheme of Government of India is implemented in how many identified cities of India? Hriday क्या है कि Heritage City Development and Augmentation. योजना। ये मेजरली हेरिटेज हमारा कल्चर डेवलपमेंट, सोशियो इकोनॉमिक डेवलपमेंट सबको मायने में रख के ये सिटीज़ को आइडेंटिफाई किया है। कितना सिटीज़ है? 12 cities. Who recently become 161st member of WTO? It is Achilles. Actually, there are 164 members in a 2020, but in 2015 it was 161st member. A loader क्या है कि एक प्रोग्राम है that replaces program into memory and prepares them for execution. Data validation का मतलब the practice of ensuring that only valid data is input into the databases. An information system that supplies information specifically to aid the manager with decision making responsibility. ये तो मैनेजमेंट इंफॉर्मेशन सिस्टम है। जो भी आपके पास इंफॉर्मेशन आते हैं उसको सिस्टम के यूज करके हम उसको मैनेज करते हैं। ये मैंने प्रीवियस वीडियो हमारा यूजीसी नेट का वीडियो में भी ये बताया है। द हाईएस्ट डाटा रेट इज प्रोवाइडेड बाय द मीडियम, इट इज ऑप्टिकल फाइबर से। What term is used to describe the repetition of the data item in a several files? Redundancy का मतलब है repeatancy. In a distributed computer system, there are many computers and terminals. The task is executed by number of processors. The task is distributed throughout the system. All of the above. Check the odd term out. It is Internet, Linux, Unix and Windows. Linux, Unix क्या है? ये तो it is free to use this open operating system है, लेकिन इंटरनेट तो ऐसा नहीं है. So odd one out is Internet. Two dissimilar networks can be connected by the gateway. To protect computers from the virus, we may use software and hardware both. Conceptually, the circuitry of the central processing unit (CPU) can be subdivided into two major units. Which one of the following units would obtain instructions from software segments stored in primary storage unit and interpret them? ये तो control unit है. In data processing, classifying, calculating, sorting, summarizing data connected with the manipulation of the data. And AND, or NOT not logical operations are performed in arithmetic logical unit में होते हैं. To help keep sensitive computer based information confidential, the user should set a password. Definitely there has to be a password होना चाहिए ताकि आप दूसरों हमारा जो भी things है, especially the systems, electronic things को use ना करें. The request or reply protocol for exchanges on the internet network is called HTTP, that is Hypertext Transfer Protocol. ये तो हर जगह पे आपको they will just ask the abbreviations of that. आपको इस पर ध्यान रखना पड़ेगा. HTML, it is Hypertext Markup Language, International IP Addresser, International Protocol, and your Uniform Resource Locator. Which of the following lists the steps of data mining (DM) in order to from beginning to the end? Data sources, data cleaning, metadata and data warehouse. Beginning to end ऐसे होते हैं data. In case of data, when a host knows its physical address but not its IP address, it can use RARP. RARP का Reverse Address Resolution Protocol. एंड ICMP का क्या होते हैं? इंटरनेट कंट्रोल मैसेज प्रोटोकॉल. एंड IGMP इंटरनेट ग्रुप मैनेजमेंट प्रोटोकॉल. ARP एड्रेस रिजोल्यूशन प्रोटोकॉल होते हैं. A 32-bit processor has a 32-bit bus or 32-bit registers. According to the data storage hierarchy, a file is collection of related records. फाइल क्या होते हैं? सारा का सारा records का pooling है. A parity bit is used to detect the errors. Errors को detect करने के लिए use करते हैं. WYSI, WIG. It is nothing but what you see is what you get. It is screen images जो भी आप देखते हैं that resembles the printed documents. The column of the table, it is nothing but attribute है. Piggybacking is a technique for acknowledgement. A hard disk becomes totally inaccessible when a computer virus corrupts its partition table को corrupt किया तो ये बिल्कुल भी work नहीं करते हैं. JavaScript is a script language used for calculations, internet operations, access of sites, all of the above. File manager does not do the task of conversion of file from one operating system to the another operating system. A logical data structure with one to many relations ये तो tree relation है. आपको पता है ना, branch से सारा का सारा relations हो जाते हैं, that is different branches from the trunk. Quick sort uses divide and conquer method. Which command will be used to carry out superscript of words or letters in MS Word? It is Ctrl Shift plus. Dash language is used to create macros in MS Excel. ये तो Visual Basic है. In a worksheet in MS Excel, what is the shortcut key to hide the entire row? ये तो Ctrl 9 है. FTP file transfer protocol. It is a protocol for transferring of the files between the computers. IPv6 address, international protocol of address, ये तो कितना बिट्स होते हैं? ये तो 128 बिट होते हैं. Select the smallest memory size in the following. ये तो किलोबाइट है. Terabyte it will be more. Gigabyte, megabyte, everything is more. Kilobyte is less than compared to other things. Pick the odd one out. ये तो word processor है. According to the procedural justice theory, workers are more likely to be motivated if the procedures used to appraise performance are perceived to be fair. जिसको भी हम fair treatment करते हैं, जो भी unbiased होते हैं, उसी that is by that time the work जो भी workers ने करते हैं ना, उसका efficiency बहुत ही ज़्यादा होते हैं, तो बहुत ही motivated होते हैं. Which theory states that people are born with certain characteristics that predispose them to be being a leader? Trait theory है, जो भी हमारा अंदर एक character होते हैं, वो तो inborn होते हैं. That particular trait or attribute or character को हम that is leadership से or else whatever the leadership को हम that is it will be coming out. A various forms of industrial dispute could be strikes, lockout, jerko picking, and boycotts. Gero picketing. When management pays attention to more important areas and day-to-day routine problems are looked after by the lower level management, this is known as management by exception. Which statement about the performance appraisal is true? Performance appraisal क्या होते हैं कि जो भी वर्क करते हैं उसका परफॉर्मेंस हम रेगुलरली चेक करते हैं. अगर कुछ भी हमें दिक्कत नज़र आए तो उसको हम दैट इज ओवरकम करने के लिए कुछ टेक्निक्स लाते हैं. उसी को बोलते हैं कि वी ट्राई टू ओवरकम दैट पर्टिकुलर लूप होल्स इन द वर्कर्स वर्क. सो उसको ही परफॉर्मेंस अप्रेजल बोलते हैं. स्ट्रैटेजिक प्लानिंग का मतलब क्या है? इट प्रोवाइड्स मेजर ऑब्जेक्टिव, लॉन्ग टर्म ऑब्जेक्टिव्स है. ऑटोक्रेटिक लीडरशिप इज कैरेक्टराइज्ड बाय मैक्सिमम सेंट्रलाइज. ऑटोक्रेटिक का मतलब होते हैं जस्ट लाइक हिटलर, हमारा ही बात चलना चाहिए, जो भी हम बोलते हैं दूसरों हमको दैट इज रिवर्स नहीं बोलना चाहिए, ये सब कुछ इसमें आ जाते हैं. मैक्सिमम सेंट्रलाइजेशन ऑफ अथॉरिटी, यूनिलैटरल डिसीजन मेकिंग, वन वे कम्युनिकेशन, ऑल ऑफ द अबव. The first stage in decision making process is to recognize the problem exists and must be solved. First step in delegation process तो definite goal होना चाहिए. पहला हमारा goal को define करना चाहिए. Path goal theory does not stress on task oriented leadership. It does not. To change the current directory to some other directory, the following command is used is DOS, that is MS-DOS, disk operating system. It is CD. ERG, essential needs, related needs, growth needs theory, which was proposed by the Alder in response to the criticisms of Maslow need of hierarchy. जो मैस्लो क्या बोलते हैं कि अगर एक बार हमारा बेसिक नीड्स, उसके बाद जो भी नीड्स होते हैं वो फुलफिल हो गया तो फिर से वो नहीं आएगा. लेकिन ईआरजी थियरी ऐसे नहीं करते. जो भी हमारा नीड्स होते हैं, once we feel that it is not being fulfilled, हमारा हायर लेवल हो गया था, फिर से हमें फिजियोलॉजिकल नीड्स, फिर से हमें सेफ्टी नीड्स चाहिए होते हैं. दैट इज इट विल बी रिपीटिंग. So it is a criticism for Maslow need of theory. A common view about leaders is that they are the heroes. Exceptional expectancy theory identifies three major factors that determines workers motivation. It is expectancy है, variance that is कितना अच्छी तरह से वो काम करते हैं, and instrumentality, how much force they are applying, how much active they are. Who proposed the job characteristic model of job design? It is Hackman and Oldham. The performance appraisal, in which of the workers' performance is evaluated by number of people such as peers, superiors, subordinates and customers or clients. It is 360-degree appraisal. A leader participation model was developed by Vroom and Eaton. BOS is standing for Behavior Observation Scale. The motivation theory that places a premium on effort reward relationship, ये तो equity theory है. Merit rating is also termed as performance appraisal. Merit rating क्या होते हैं कि कितना अच्छी तरह से आप काम किया, ये सब कुछ ये रेट करते हैं. That is that merit will be given for you. ये basically a performance appraisal का technique है. The nature of decision making technique is in the इन बास्केट एक्सरसाइज है, तो सिमुलेशन टेक्निक है. ट्रांजैक्शन एनालिसिस क्या होते हैं कि दैट इज ईगो स्टेट्स को आइडेंटिफाई करना. रोल प्ले क्या है कि हम दूसरों की नज़र से दैट एम्पैथेटिकली थिंक करना क्या ताकि क्या हो सकते हैं. एंड इन द बास्केट इज ऑल्सो सिमुलेशन टेक्निक, ये तो मेजरली डिसीजन मेकिंग के लिए यूज होते हैं. द थियरी विच एक्सप्लेन्स अफिलिएशन इन द ग्रुप फॉर्मेशन एंड डायनामिक्स, इट इज propinquity theory. Joint management councils are normally formed in an organization at which level? Below the board but above the shop floor level. Employee empowerment in general means increased job autonomy for the subordinates. In a bargaining situation, when both party wins and at least neither party lose, it is nothing but integrative bargaining है. Generally, while administering discipline, the key guidelines to be followed and adhered to is advance warning, oral warning and the written warning. In administering discipline, the two principles that are central to just cause are progressive discipline and due process. The following is considered to be the best leadership style in the model of managerial grid. ये तो team builder है. 9 होते हैं ना वही. In the classical organization, the following is not a structural conflict, ये तो multicultural है. International Monetary Fund is headquartered at Washington DC. Contour lines का मतलब क्या होते हैं कि जो भी equal height above the sea level. Capillary action phenomenon of water climbing up a narrow tube, it is nothing but due to the surface tension की वजह से होते हैं. The famous folk dance of Rajasthan, it is Ghumar है. आप सुना ही होगा घूमर song. Full moon occurs when earth comes between the sun and the moon. Samaveda deals with the majorly music. The edible part of mango, ये तो mesocarp है. During acute summer, when the temperature is very high, the patches of water are seen on the highways from the distance. But when the observer reaches close, the patches disappear and appear as at a farther distance. ये तो illusion क्या होते हैं कि total internal reflection of the light है. The composition of white vitriol, it is zinc, sulfur and oxygen. Who is the author of Geet Govinda? It is Jayadeva. Nearly how many kgs of manganese is required to manufacture 1 ton of steel? ये तो 10 kgs होना चाहिए. Electoral disputes arising out of presidential and vice presidential elections are selected by Supreme Court of India. A famous books है, उसका क्या क्या है? कदम्बारी, ये तो बनदत्ता. कामयानी, it is Jaishankar Prasad. The Guide, it is by R.K. Narayan. गोदान, ये तो मुंशी प्रेमचंद है. And tribes and places which they belong. खास, ये तो उत्तर प्रदेश का है. लुसानी, ये तो त्रिपुरा का है. And Todas, it is South India. And Bills, it is Rajasthan में. Creation of Mudra Bank was proposed in the recent budget proposal of the Government of India. It is Micro Units Development Refinance Agency. The preamble of our constitution proclaims what way people of India have established a sovereign, socialistic, secular, democratic and republic nation. Which article of the Constitution of India requires the Constitution of Finance Commission every 5 years? ये तो आर्टिकल 280 है. Which is not a type of writ, ये तो मैग्ना करता है. How much would a 70 kg man weigh on the moon? ये तो 114.1 न्यूटन होते हैं. Which of the following Muslim ruler renamed as a captivity of his son? ये तो शाहजहां है. The present Lok Sabha speaker is a member of parliament from which constituency? ये तो इंडोर constituency से है. Which soil is more suitable for the crops like cashew nut? It is red laterite soil. Which of the following rivers divide Aravalli ranges? ये तो नर्मदा and Luni river है. The Khajuraho temples were built by Chandelas. The full-time organizational framework of Niti Aayog ex-officio members are to be nominated by the Honorable Prime Minister. Which state of India is the largest producer of bajra? It is Rajasthan. Which of the following is a rabi crop? It is a mustard. Uber Cup and Thomas Cup are associated with the badminton. India's first credit bureau through which commercial banks will share credit history for the customers? It is CIBIL. What is the motto of the Olympics 2016? It is live your passion. Pungency in chilies majorly capsaicin hai. If any question arises as to whether a member of parliament has become subject to any disqualification mentioned in clause that is of Article 1 or 2, the question shall be referred for a decision to, and the decision will be from the President of India, shall be the final one. जो भी conflict होते हैं तब President of India का ही final होते हैं. Which one of the following minerals is contained in the monazite sand of Kerala? ये तो thorium है. Who is responsible to collect the service taxes? It is Central Excise Department, CED. Find the odd one out. It is FIFA World Cup. Which of the following does not involve a chemical reaction? Melting of candle wax on heating. ये तो कुछ भी chemical नहीं है, सिर्फ और सिर्फ heat की वजह से होते हैं. How many type of writs are there in the number which can be issued by the High Court or Supreme Court enforcement of fundamental rights? ये तो 5 है. Which principle states that when a body is partially or totally immersed in a fluid, it experiences an upward thrust equal to the weight of the fluid displaced by it? ये तो Archimedes principle है. As the following: हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड ये तो हमारा डाइजेस्टिव जूसेस है. एस्कॉर्बिक एसिड विटामिन सी है. एंड अमाइनो एसिड्स तो प्रोटीन है, आपको पता है. एसिटिक एसिड विनेगर है. The disease rickets is caused by the deficiency of vitamin D. आपको सूर्य दैट सन में that is 15 minutes तो होना ही चाहिए. एक ये तो सारा का सारा एप्टीट्यूड क्वेश्चंस है. मैं आपको क्वेश्चंस बता देती हूँ, आंसर्स भी बता देती हूँ, आप उसको चेक कर दीजिए अच्छी तरह से. हमारा व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप भी है ना, उसको ज्वाइन किया तो आपका सारा का सारा वीडियो लेक्चर्स और सॉल्यूशंस भी आपको मिल जाएगा. A car can finish a certain journey in 10 hours at a speed of 56 km per hour. In order to cover the same distance in 7 hours, the speed of the car must be increased by 24 km per hour. 17 to the raise of 34.5 into 17 to the raise of 68.9 divided by 17 to the raise of 27.4 is 17 to the raise of 76. The amount invested in certain scheme compounded annually doubles in 4 years. In how many years will the amount become 16 times when is invested in the scheme? It is 16 years. Compound interest का problem है. A watch which gains a uniformity in 5 minutes slow at 8 o'clock in the morning on Sunday, 5 minutes 48 seconds fast at 8 p.m. on the following Sunday. When was it correct? It is correct on Wednesday. 3 wheels make 60, 36, 24 revolutions per minute. Each has a red spot on its rim, which is at the lowest position at the time 0. The red spot will be like 5 seconds. The triangle pointing out 2, 7, 4, minus 1, minus 2, 6 is equal to the right angle triangle. This is a problem and the answer for this is 0.61. Pause करके अच्छी तरह से देख लीजिए. A number A is the short of B by 40%. What is the percent of B in excess of A? It is 66 and by 2 to the 2 by 3%. 64 to the power of minus 2 by 3 into 1 to the power 1 by 4 to the power of minus 3 is equal to 4. A train can travel 50% faster than a car. Both start from a point A at the same time and reach the point B by 75 kilometers away from A at the same time on the way. However, the train lost about 12.5 minutes while stopping at the stations. The speed of the car is 120 km per hour. The maximum length of the iron rod that can be kept in a room of dimensions 10 cm is to 8 cm is to 6 cm. It is 10 to the power of root of 2 cm. A petrol tank at fulfilling station has a capacity of 400 liters. The attendant sells 40 liters of petrol from the tank to one customer and then replenishes it to the kerosene oil. This process repeated with the 6 customers. The quantity of pure petrol will be the 7th customer get when he approaches 40 liters of petrol. It is 21.25 liters. An empty tank is connected with the pipes A, B, C. A and B are inlet pipes and they fill the tank in 6 hours and 8 hours respectively, while C is an outlet pipe. It empties the completely filled tank in 5 hours. Find the time in which the tank will be completely filled if all the pipes are open together. So 10 to the power 10 into 10 by 11 hours में होते हैं. The discount of 15% on one article is same as a discount of 20% on the another article. The cost of the two articles can be rupees 80 and 60. P can complete a work in 12 days working 8 hours a day. Q can complete the same work in 8 days working 10 hours a day. If both P and Q work together, working 8 hours a day in many days can be completed by 5 by 11. 22 women together can complete a work in 16 days. 16 men together can complete the same work in 15 days. The ratio of working capacity of men to that of women is 4:3. The sum of rupees 36.90 is made of 180 coins, which are either 10 paisa coins or 25 paisa coins. The number of 10 paisa coins is 54. A and B are two alloys of gold and copper prepared by mixing metals in the ratio of 5:3 and 5:11 respectively. Equal quantities of these alloys are melted to form a third alloy C. The ratio of gold and copper in the alloy C is 15:17. 40% of the employees of certain company are men. 75% of the men earn more than 25,000 per year. If 45% of the company employees earn more than 25,000 per year, what fraction of women employed by the company earn 25,000 per year? ये तो 3/4 है. Okay. A publisher sells copies of book to the retail dealer at rupees 5 per copy but allows 25 copies to be counted as 24. If the retailer sells each of the copy at 25, that is 6 rupees per copy, and his profit is 25% more. If the radii of two concentric circles are 15 centimeters and 13 centimeters respectively, then the area of circuiting ring in the square it is 176. Among the following, 6 root 12, 3 root 4, 4 root 5 and root 3, the least one is 4 root 5. A pole 18 meters high casts a shadow of 9.6 meter long. What is the distance of the top of the pole from the far end of the shadow? It is 20.4 meter. Two trains start simultaneously from Kanpur and Agra towards each other with speeds of 70 km per hour and 90 km per hour respectively. When they met each other, this was observed that one of them had covered 350 kilometers more than others. Find distance between Kanpur and Agra. It is 2,800 km. If 7/3 raised 3 into 49 by 81 to the raise of 2 into minus 6 is equal to 7 by 9 to the power of 9. Then the value of x is 6. A bag contains 19 red balls, 37 blue balls and 27 green balls. If a ball is picked up by its bag at random, what is the probability of picking the blue ball? It is 37 by 83. If the volume of the sphere is divided by its surface area, result obtained is 27 cm. The radius of the sphere is 81 cm. In a class of 20 students in examination, in mathematics, 2 students scored 100 marks, 3 got 0 each and average of the rest was 40. What is the average of the whole class? ये तो 40 marks है. इस सारा का सारा फिगर बेस्ड क्वेश्चन है, आप पॉज करके आप देख सकते हैं. So how is B related to E? 5 persons are traveling in a train. A, B, C, D, E. A is the mother of C, who is the wife of E. D is the brother of A, and A is the husband of B is the husband of A. How is B related to E? A तो father-in-law है. How is D related to B? Brother-in-law है. And logical based questions भी होते हैं इस तरह. अब पॉज करके अच्छी तरह से पढ़ लीजिए. So they're trying to tell these questions after in a 5-star hotel where CWG players are staying. There are 80 players, male and female. The ratio of females and males are 3:5 respectively. The number of males and number of females who can speak only Hindi is equal, and each of which 40% of the total number of females. 10% of the females can speak both the languages and 58% of the males can speak only English. How many females can speak English? ये तो 15 है. What is the percentage of all players who can speak only Hindi, both females and males? 30 है. How many males can speak only Hindi? It is 41 है. In the hotel, the number of males and that of females are in respective ratio of 2:3. If the number of males is increased by 20% and that of females is increased by 10%, what will be the new ratio? It is none of the above है. The words are given in the following question in the blanks. Nice, dash, push, it is fine. In certain code language, bring the whiteboard is written as a ka, na, di, pa, and white and blackboard is written as na, di, sara. How it is written in that code? It is ka or pa. 5 girls are sitting on the bench to be photographed. Sigil is in the left of the Rashmi and to the right of Bini. Mamata is the left of Rashmi. Ragini is between Rashmi and Mamata. Who is sitting immediately right to Ragini? It is Rashmi. It is combinations of persons. So R, S, T, U, V, W and X are 7 employees of an organization. 3 of them are in one grade and 2 of them in another grade of among ABC. Each of them earns different amounts as salary. There are 3 ladies, among them one of them each grade. T and her husband only are in the grade B. X earns the maximum and X is a man. He along with only U are in grade A. U earns more than only R. W is a lady. She and her friend S are in a grade C. R is not in a grade C. W earns less than T but more than S. V earns less than S. So it is a logical questions. Which of the following combination of person are in grade C? It is W, S, V. Who earns less than X? It is T. How many of them earn more than V? ये तो 4 है. The one who earns the least is in which grade? ये तो B है. A train leaves the Mumbai with half the number of women as men. At Bhopal, 10 men get down and 5 women get in. Now there are equal number of men and women. How many passengers boarded the train initially at Mumbai? 45. Ramesh is twice as old as Sham but twice younger than Rajesh. Birjesh is half of the age of Sham but twice the age of Nagesh. Which 2 persons form the pair of oldest and youngest? It is Rajesh and Nagesh. If in a code language music is written as X, V, Q, Y, W and U, S, A, G, E is written as V, Q, Z, I, F. then how can magic be written in that ZX ZIWYW? Read the following information and answer the following question. 6 students A, B, C, D, E, F are ranked in descending order on the basis of their marks in 2 subjects, physics and chemistry. E's rank remains the same and he is between A and B in both the subjects. A and B interchange position. D ranks first in one subject and last in another. In physics, B's rank is second and F is the last. The chemistry, F's rank is fifth. Whose performance is poorest in chemistry? It is D. Who got the first rank in chemistry? It is C. If the ranks of the chemistry are given in ascending order, who will get the first rank? ये तो D है. So this all the questions is also like same M and OP सब कुछ दिया है. So what is the following lightest weight? It is option 4O. Q is lighter in weight than weight of the others articles. It is M and N. Which of the following article is the heaviest in weight? ये तो M है. Each face of the cube has different color. Its top face is painted black. Blue is between red and yellow. Green is between black and white. White is between yellow and red. Which color is opposite to green? It is blue. सारा का सारा ऐसा ही क्वेश्चन है. Which of the following represent the direction of point O with respect to the point R? It is southeast. How far in the direction of point M from the point T? 3 meters from west. If start and Walka, that is WALK, and BUDPI and ZXZFMQ, then what will be the code of stupid? It is WAZMQF. In a code where the numeral represents an alphabet, most likely code of the word RECES is 913155. ये भी diagrammatic based question है. Study the information given in each of these questions to answer them. Constituency 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Number of voters in 1000. It is registered and voted. Which constituency has the lowest percentage of polling? It is 5. In the following question, 2 statements are followed by the 2 conclusions 1 and 2. The 2 statements are to be considered to be true. Pick the choice as follows. There are few statements you have to tell. Some poets are goats, some goats are trees. Conclusions. Some poets are trees and some trees are goats. It is option B. In the following question is followed by 2 statements 1 and 2. Select the choice as follows. If I alone is sufficient to answer the question. If 2 alone is sufficient to answer the question. If 1 and 2 both are required to answer the question. If both 1 and 2 are insufficient to answer the question and more data is required. Can Mohan be considered as successful monteur? It is option C. That is if 1 and 2 are both required to answer the question. Which word cannot be made use the letters of phrase? The choice is obvious. It is booster. Study the following table carefully and answer the questions below. इस सारा का सारा production of main crops in India है. Production of pulses in 1991 was आप वीडियो को पॉज कर दीजिए और धीरे धीरे से आप सारा का सारा वैल्यूज देखकर उसको आंसर कर दीजिए. The production of pulses in 1991 was approximately what percentage of production of oilseeds? ये तो 50% है. Production of what type of crop was going to increase in each year? Oilseeds का increase हो रहे हैं. What was the average production of wheat in a given year? It is 144.60 million tons. Production of sugar cane was that what percentage of total crops produced in a year 1996 to 97? It is 30.46%. Which crop has the actual production of 1 year exactly of same as average production of given years? ये तो pulses हैं. Pick the choice diagram that best represents the following relationship. In SAT 1B, satellites. In SAT 1C, aircraft and MedSat. It is option A, 1. In which of the question? A question is posed. Which is the following 2 statements? Same as that above. Are the meteorological predictions totally unreliable? It is option B. if 2 alone is sufficient to answer the question? Gandhiji wanted to use the latent energies of the rural unemployed to be properly utilized. It is option A. Only one is an assumption. An argument is followed by two statements. It is, according to the medical researcher, malnutrition and lower intelligence have shown a positive linkage. Definitely, it is option C. If statement 1 and 2 both strengthen the argument. The following questions are to be answered. Category of personnel, number of staff in 2005, number of staff in 2009. So the pie chart were to be drawn from the different categories of personnel. What would be the angle subtended by the supervisor for the year 2005? It is 81 degree. For the programmers, what is the sector angle for the year 2009? 96 degree hai. What is the percentage increase in the number of staffs in 2009 as compared to the 2005? It was 68.75 hai. In pie chart of 2005, what is the sector angle of represent 1%? It was 4.5 degree hai. The number of categories for which of the sector angle has decreased in 2009 compared to 2005? It was 3 hai. Same as conclusions, two conclusions 1 and 2 will be there. War is not only the solution for settlement of disputes between the country. In fact, war can only be the last resort. It is option C, if both conclusion 1 and 2 can be followed. And other questions in bar charts के बारे में है. All fish are tortoise, no tortoise is a crocodile. It is both inferences 1 and 2 can be followed. So बार चार्ट के हिसाब से आप अच्छी तरह से देख लीजिए और उसको पॉज करके प्रोडक्शन ऑफ व्हीट कितना है पंजाब, उत्तर प्रदेश, गुजरात एंड हरियाणा में. In which of the following year did the production of wheat increase in all states as compared to just previous year? ये तो 2011 में है. What is the percentage raise in wheat production in Haryana in 2011 over the previous year? It is 50% है. What is the average production of wheat for 5 years taking all the states together? It is 22.75 है. Which state has observed 50% fall in production of wheat? ये तो हरियाणा है. Which of the following years is the production closest to the average yearly production of entire period? It is 2011 है. So thank you so much दोस्तों आप इसको वीडियो को लिसन करने के लिए. एंड FCA आपको पता है एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म भी उन्होंने रिलीज किया है. सारा का सारा अप्लाई कर दीजिए एंड ट्राई टू मेक द बेस्ट यूज ऑफ दिस वीडियो. कीप लर्निंग एंड इस वीडियो को आप लाइक और शेयर भी कर दीजिए ताकि जो भी हेल्पफुल पर्सन दैट इज जो भी पर्सन को चाहिए उसको आप सेंड कर सकते हैं. थैंक यू सो मच.